Kapuso actors. I've had a lot of scenes with Gabby here, and I can say talaga na naging close kami. And we share one dressing room, so we really look forward to, to taping days, ganyan. And I just respect this lady so much kasi nakikita ko talaga sa kanya yung hunger niya for growth sa craft. And nakakatuwa yun na marinig sa mga younger stars. So, it's a good experience. So, thank you, Gabby, for sharing your talent with us.
Love you.
And of course, our other Kapuso actors. Si May, syempre, thank you na lagi ko rin ka-eksena. Yon. And si Will, thank you.
How about with Richard? Kumbaga reunion project ito na.
Oo nga, si Chenes, sayang wala siya ngayon dito. Chenes, we miss you. Si Chenes na, si Richard naman.
You call him Chenes? Can we ask the etymology of this Chenes? Bakit nga ba naging Chenes?
Kasi di ba Papa Chen?
Papa
So
Chen.
parang feeling ko bitin, kaya Papa Chenes.
Okay.
Actually, walang kwenta. So wala, basta tawag ko lang sa kanya Chenes. Sorry. Siguro pang-4, pang-5 programa or project na namin to ni Richard. So masasabi ko na isa talaga siya sa mga aktor na